that will require a very clean water, and that is this one. I'm going to take a clean water bowl, and the second bowl water is where I'm going to dip the brush. That will be the dirty one. Okay?
Ma'am, can I get the water?
Yes, everyone, I'll give 2 minutes before that for arranging everything. Just hold on. Just listen to me. 1 second. I'll make the record. Sorry. Just hold on. Don't mess it up. Okay? First we'll
Recording in
require.
progress.
Okay. Now we'll require 2 bowls of water. Keep it away from your artwork, so that, or take a separate table and keep that on that, because it should not spill on your artwork. Okay? One will be completely with the brushes, one will be clean wherever. In this clean, you're going to keep your clean brush so that you can have the water whenever we require to load the water. This instructions can be followed for A4 water sheet also. That's why I'm saying that it's not only for the canvas purpose. Whenever we do on water sheet, we do this instructions. Okay. Now, when it is a canvas, you'll preferably go for the flat brushes. I said preferably. If you don't have, it doesn't mean you're not going to use the other brushes. You can go for the round brush also. Now, our artwork has a lot of color spreading, so try to take the big one. That is how much wide the canvas brush is there, it will be more useful. Once it doesn't.
Canvas is 10 by 12.
It's okay, no problem. Right now, I'm giving an instruction for coloring. You're going to listen to it properly. If any difficulty is there, you will ask me. Just hold on. 1 minute.
Ma'am, can you please do it a bit slow because it's painting?
Huh?
Ma'am, can you do it a bit slow?
Right now, I'm giving instructions. I'm going slow. Listen to the instructions. Okay? No, nothing else. Okay? Now, see, there are different types of brush in sizes. I'm just showing. Don't keep any wet brush on your paper.
Ma'am,
Yes.
first we have to do in A4 because last period she was absent because she was not well. So
let us sketch with the circle and this pleats. That we are going to do first. Just make that much and let her practice, and then let her do the artwork on the canvas.
Ma'am?
Yes?
first we have to do in A4 size paper, ma'am.
Yeah, A4 size paper.
So, ma'am, since I'm doing it on canvas, do I do it with acrylic paint or watercolor paint?
Acrylic. If you have acrylic, go with the acrylic. I'm going to show with the acrylic pen. Okay?
Okay.
Now this, yes.
Ma'am, should we do it on the watercolor sheet or the canvas?
We are right now doing canvas. So we are going to do it on canvas. Okay?
Okay.
Now, all these are the collections of, I have big also, but I am not showing, this is not required when I'm good. These are the collections of the brush. From this, one of the brush, I'm going to keep it aside for merging purpose. What is merging? Dry brush. That is always when I'll say dry brush is required, that is required for the merging purpose. You're not going to make it wet. It should be dry, and if you make it by chance wet, you should have the cloth with you to make it dry. Dry brushes always keep aside one brush for merging purpose. Other brush we are going to use it as on required. Clear? These are the first basic
Are we doing in canvas or are we painting it as well?
We are painting on the canvas itself. Who asked this? Okay. Now, one more thing. Amira, open your videos. Okay? Clear? Now we are doing it generally on any paper sheet is there. But if you're going with a proper canvas board, big one, when you go for a A3 size or A2 size, see to it, the brush what you use is a stiff brush. These are the Bristol brush which are always stiff. See that the difference between the two brushes are, these are soft, they bend in any time, but if you're doing professionally, then we prefer the Bristol brush. Why? Because they are very good in merging, very good in loading the colors. Clear? Yes? Now, we are going to use acrylic color. The reason behind it, it's an oil-based color which has to be spread properly, but it will, if water falls or anything, it is not going to spill everywhere. It has a proper property, so it's nicely you can use. But if you don't have, you can go with the watercolors also. Watercolors are also used with the canvas sheet. Clear to everyone? This is the basic instructions. Anything if you want to ask, you can ask now. Go with it.
Ma'am, can I just get the water?
Yes, sure, Dia. And nothing you want to ask, then no problem. Yes? What about others? Clear to everyone?
Ma'am, can you see my sketch ones?
Which one you have drawn as per your this na?
Yes.
Then it is okay. No problem. Yeah. Clear? Now, secondly, now acrylic colors. Whatever colors you are going to take. Now, basically, we will see the original, that is reference artworks where we are going to, which we are going to use for coloring. Okay. Now, first take your pencil colors. Actually, it is not required, but take it. What we will do, we'll give an outline to the sun and then we will start with the coloring. So, take your yellow pencil color, pointed yellow pencil color and just load, give the outer line to the sun. Now, you can erase. That day I said you can erase on canvas, but there is a technique of erasing. That is, you're going to hold your eraser, clean eraser, vertically, that is sleeping wise, and go very slightly, lightly. Erase it. That's why if it is light line, it will erase easily. Yes?
Ma'am, we are doing on canvas or paper?
Canvas. This is my canvas. This is my canvas paper. I'm doing on a canvas sheet because merging has to be shown properly on the canvas sheet. That I'm doing on a canvas sheet.
Ma'am, can you show how to like lower the yellow?
Yes, I'm showing. I'm going to show everything. Okay? Yes. Take your pointed pencil, okay, just erase slightly. If the line is there, no problem, because there we are going to make with a dark orange, we can have the light, and just go give this outline. Only for the purpose that we should not go inside this circle. The sun in our reference picture is completely white with the orange shade on the bottom. These are grey color, so we don't require anything to be done for the cliffs or the mountains what are there. So grey color it is, so no outline. But if it was of different color, the best would have been the outline, because this is water soluble color pencil. Easily when we load the colors, it gets merged with the colors. Yes, somebody was asking. 1 second.
Ma'am, I can't see what you have done with the yellow.
I have made the sun, nothing else.
Okay, ma'am, you have outlined it.
Yes, I have outlined the sun. Now you can see. You're going to make like how I have made first. It should not be seen. It's only for your loading. When you're loading, you will have to load it like that. Okay. Now
Ma'am,
for
it's
loading.
very light for me. Like it's not like
Don't make dark. No, don't make dark. She was not able to see it. That's why I made it dark. She wanted it dark. It should be light. You are going to make outlines very light. It's only for your reference. How to load. Okay. Now, first we are going to use 2 strokes in loading, which will help us for merging. One is the horizontal loading, and second is the curve loading, which how we are going to load. Similarly, you are going to merge it. Okay, so 2 loadings. If on the corners merging, we are going to do it with a diagonal loading. So when you're loading, just load, leave the corners. You can load it on corners, but again, one more thing, when we are using acrylic colors, the beauty of acrylic colors is you can reload the color on the existing color and merge it very nicely. That is one more thing. So we can use it. For the borders, there is a diagonal merging, but that we'll do it afterwards. Right now, we are going to use only 2 strokes. One is horizontal loading and the other is the circular one. Now, which colors will require is orange, lemon yellow and white color. Take your orange, lemon yellow.
Ma'am, I don't have orange, but I have yellow ochre and scarlet red. So which one is like the closest? So like which one should I take?
Can you prepare, Shivari? You're going to prepare the color.
No, ma'am. I got the 12 color set.
Okay. Go with a scarlet, but load. You don't have lemon yellow also, Vihan.
Yeah, I have lemon yellow.
Okay, so on you are going to here where I'm going to load yellow shade. I show I'm not going to load yellow everywhere. Where the shade has become light, there I'm going to load yellow, but you'll have to load yellow in the scarlet area also, because scarlet is a dark. It has red and orange shade.
Ma'am,
So if you want red,
should I mix it?
yes, you can mix it.
Ma'am, what were the colors again?
Orange, yellow, lemon yellow I'm taking right now, and white. 3 colors.
Can you once repeat the colors? Can you once repeat the colors?
Dan, should we start?
Ma'am, can you once repeat the colors?
Orange, lemon yellow, and white. Should we start?
Ma'am, I think I don't have white. Ma'am, which colors?
White will be required. Last time only I have told. White is required. White and black. Because one of them, orange, lemon yellow, and white, not black. Grey, acrylic colors, those who are doing on canvas, if you don't have, go with watercolors, no problem.
Ma'am, I have poster colors.
Use poster colors. That is only watercolors, what I'm saying. Okay? Clear? Now, see the shade. It's an orange shade. Orange is coming down, and as you come, half of the sun is white, but it has a shade of orange and yellow in the down part, but very less. So we are not going to load anything in that area. But from there, we are going to load with orange, the yellow shade. Okay, and when you come down, yellow is more, orange is less. Can you see the skin? So leaving this part, what we have made, in this also the orange shade is there. That we'll see afterwards. But first,
instead of orange, what must I use?
huh?
Instead of orange, what must I?
Orange
Ma'am?
only you're going to use.
Ma'am?
Orange it is. Yeah.
Ma'am? Are you using pencil colors?
Pencil colors, you can't use pencil colors. Orange is not there, then use scarlet color. Orange is the main thing in this. Okay? Now,
are
as
you-
I... What?
They were using watercolors.
Yes, if you are doing on A4, you are using watercolors.
Ma'am, but we have to do it on the canvas.
Then use acrylic color. Arish, what I am saying right now from the first, you are not here listening. I have told, I am giving the instructions. There, that time I said acrylic colors. Those who don't have will go with watercolors. Okay, now as I said, we are not going to apply gesso, but the texture, if you can move your hand, the texture is very rough. And for that, just take deep your brush and clean water, not too much of water, just only load the canvas, touch your canvas paper slowly, not near the sun, with the water, only this much area where we are going to load the orange, yellow,
Ma'am, where?
this side, up to where the down area, this much. Very less, not too much of water. Only for the purpose that we will be able to, this is the effect for the gesso what we load earlier. So instead of that, we are loading the water. Then keep it your water, clean water aside.
Ma'am, we have to outline the, dip our brush with water and then the whole white surface we have to color.
This area I have loaded with water. Okay? No problem? Yeah? Now take your orange color and just load it backward, forward, stroke, slowly, not near the sun, because sun will require to load the circular stroke effect of it. Okay, this, then near the sun, I'm giving a circular one. And little bit fast you are going to do, so that near the sun,
orange.
this is orange. I'm
Ma'am,
loading orange.
I have vermilion hue.
Whatever you have, you're going to load it. Okay?
Okay.
Now I'm not going to see the colors which is there. Just follow the orange and that much you can here near the sun. Okay? Again here, I'm just loading straight. Now, the second one is the yellow below this. Lemon yellow. Near the sun, I'm just going with the circular part. By mistake, if it goes on the cliff, it is okay, no problem. Yellow is, and here, again the First load your yellow. And now put your orange. Not too much of orange, huh? Just slightly load the orange on top of your yellow. Done. Now take your dry brush and
Ma'am, this is yellow.
yes. Now take your dry brush and start merging near the sun.
Now where do we have to put the yellow again?
From ear to ear. Go fast. Now merge it with the help of your dry brush. This is my dry brush. If you feel that yellow is more, just we'll load little bit of orange, but first merge it very nicely. Give the merging effect.
Touching the cliff.
It's okay. My yellow has gone inside the cliff. No problem. Cliff we are going to load standing wise and it's a grey color. That's why no problem. Run your brush. Dry brush. It is completely dry brush. If you feel the orange is less, you can load little bit of orange inside it. Go slowly. Enjoy the coloring. I will clean the dry brush and then again clean it, make it dry, just rubbing on the cloth and keep it aside.
No.
Ma'am, I don't have dry brush. Can I just take like
The same brush you can take it, only thing just dry it properly and then merge it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Don't go with the wet one. Yes,
I'm should be
Nandini.
more than circular motion.
No, where I did it in circular motion. Nandini, are you able to make it?
Ma'am, I'm drawing the...
Okay, no problem. Go on. Yeah. just going to load
Ma'am,
diagonally, well, because I've not loaded completely. Just load diagonally now here also. So go a little bit straightwise because
ma'am, can you see mine?
1 second, wait, Iraira. Okay, take your dry brush and just merge this diagonally inside whatever the all or the area, full area. And here, first merge it standing wise and then load it in the horizontal way. Yes, Iraira. Okay, here the orange shade is
Ma'am?
there. Yes, yes.
How am I supposed to do it? I have done this much. Should I color orange on top of the yellow?
Yes, yes, here orange shade is there. Na? You can see mine. It is orange shade is there. I can see here also orange. So I'm loading little bit of orange and I'll use dry brush to merge it. Yes, Iraira?
Ma'am, is it okay?
Where I'm not able to see.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, it is okay.
Ma'am, like
Yes.
actually my like tree was very close to like the things, so like, can you just see it, please?
Yes, it is okay. Load little bit yellow more. Little bit. As you go down, it should have a light shade.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, while merging, if your color is dry, so with your brush, just load little bit of water, very slightly, so that the color should merge. See here, it is dried. It is giving a shade, but if it is dried, not dry brush, you are going to leave it aside. The orange which I have loaded, I have slightly water. Slight touch of water, left it here, and again with the dry brush merge the colors. Very nice.
Ma'am, is that color red?
No, it is orange only. I have not removed any of the red. It's orange. It's completely orange.
Ma'am, do you have to merge anything with a dry brush?
Yes, you'll have to merge the colors. It should be plain. There should be no strokes seen on the colors. It should be a very plain this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I show you my picture
Yes. Yes.
once? Ma'am, once can I show you mine? Because
Yes.
I have a doubt on this.
1 second, Vedika.
I
Hold
went
on.
two down. I went two down, and some of my orange went into my tree.
Okay, wait. Hold on. Very good, Pragati. Yes, show. Vedika, show.
Yes, ma'am, sorry. Ma'am, some of my orange went into my tree.
It's okay. No problem.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, should I merge it more or is it good?
It is okay. Right now it looks nice in the camera. When I'll see the actual photos, then I'll come to know. Okay. One more thing. Thursday there will be no class on the account of Ganesh Chaturthi means the Ganesha is there for 1.5 days, so there is no class on Thursday. We are going to meet on next Tuesday. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you just check mine? I think I got a little inside the sun.
Show me. Where? It's okay. From down, it's okay. No problem. See, I have not done very nice finish in that. I'll do it afterwards. It's
Ma'am,
okay.
it
No
is fine?
Yeah, it is fine, Vihan.
Ma'am,
Yes.
have you done it? Have you done the paint a little
Yes,
more?
yes, here, down, up to here. When we had made gone down, na? Vedika, merge it with a dry brush. You also can merge it with a dry brush. It is not that only canvas people have to do it. You can merge it fast with the dry brush.
Ma'am, which Vedika?
She showed me, so Vedika Vishwas, B. Vedika B. I tell you Vedika Reddy when I'll talk to you, okay? Very good, drizzling. Very nice. Drizzling little bit down, it is there.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Yes. Krishna, you're going to go slowly, yeah? Why it is looking, the color is not orange. Don't touch it, huh?
Can I show you?
It's looking yellow ochre or something different brown color it has been seen in your through your camera. Oh. Is it orange itself?
Yes,
It's only the camera effect?
I think so.
Okay, then no problem. Because right now I can see brown and yellow ochre. This much is brown and down is yellow ochre. Very good, Krisha. Merge the orange inside the yellow ochre.
Okay.
There should be orange. Very good, Iraira. Iraira, go a little bit down. This is this way, the cliff wise. Yes. Shivani, little bit orange can be loaded, or I don't know, because of camera it is looking. This is very dark. As you go down, it becomes light.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Vedika B, yes, you can merge it. Don't load lot of water. Vedika, this is not a water sheet, so don't load it, okay? And let it dry. Okay? Be careful.
Ma'am,
Yes.
did you do the whole drawing in the canvas sheet? Because I thought I did it in my book, drawing book, so I finished the drawing in the canvas right now.
Then color it.
But then how to merge it? What to merge?
I've showed it right now. Load the
Ma'am,
orange and
Ma'am,
the yellow.
And is it okay?
If you have done the same as per your sketch from A4, it is okay.
Ma'am, but my canvas is small, so I had to do smaller, and it doesn't look the exact same. Like
But
the
it is
height.
okay. Just start coloring. Just start coloring. Okay?
Okay. First we have to do yellow.
Orange till here.
Now we have to do
then
yellow and orange.
yellow, orange here, and down is yellow. And on top of the yellow, little bit of orange and merge it with the dry brush.
Ma'am, I have merged yellow. Now it is okay.
Yeah, now it is okay.
Ma'am, can you please see?
Yes, Parth, it is okay, but I'm not able to see the shades of orange and yellow. Can you see mine? Little bit of orange is required because all the colors are merged together to give this shade.
So, ma'am, should
Here,
I put
on top, put the orange. See, your color has come this all over. I don't want this color. It should be top dark. As you come down, the shades has to come down. Then only when we load white here, it will give this. This will have the shades effect. Iraira, very good. But there are tones between your two colors. I don't know why. If you have not merged anything, the tones will not be seen. Kushi, very good. Tones are not seen. Why I am saying merge it with a dry brush, tones are not to be seen. Can you see my tones in the coloring? It is so that tones are not to be seen.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try to merge.
Yeah, I don't know, is it a camera effect or what? But this also, it is looking like the same color where yellow and orange is there. But this part is dark.
Okay, ma'am.
Shivani, I'm telling Shivani. Shivani, this much part is dark. That reason is also there. The light effect. Light is falling downwards. That's why this has become the medium shade is there. As you go down, it has become more lighter.
Yes, ma'am.
And the top is dark. So I feel the orange color is required on the top.
Okay, ma'am.
Because it is giving a light shade.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Others, everyone has showed me. Can we continue now?
Wait.
Do it. Till then, those who have completed, just make the grey color. Take pink means what? 2 brushes of white color and 1 dot of black and mix it. Or if you have grey color, you can take the grey color. What I do, normally I'll show you. When my white color is almost, when it is, see, I have a grey color.
Color okay?
Huh?
The grey color.
Yes. Yes, that grey color is okay. If you have grey color, you can take the grey color. But right now we don't want grey color. Just make it and keep it aside. I'll tell you where to apply the grey color.
इतनी जोर से नहीं लाइट ड्रिजल हो ही रहा था इसलिए चलेगा उतना रिक्शा
Done? Everyone done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, do you need a lighter grey or like a darker type?
Yeah, any grey you prepare, wherever the dark shade is there, here the dark shade is there, we'll keep the dark one. And where the light is there, we can make it with the help of white. How we did here. We made the shade. So once you load it, after on that we'll load the white color to give the light shade. Clear? That should we go? Should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Should we start with the grey? So now how to make the grey? I'll show that
And
also.
is this looking better?
Yes, now it is better. Orange and yellow shade is better now.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Normally what I do when the white color gets almost it is going to finish, I add black in it and I prepare a grey color and keep it aside. This is what the grey is there, but I'll show you how to make the grey. That is, take your white, see, just load your white, black is always there, 2 shades of white, and just load a single one black and merge it to have the grey shade. White will be more.
Ma'am,
Yes,
and can I use color palette?
you can. No problem. I'm just showing it. I directly use it. So this is the grey shade. It can be a dark or it can be a light also. No problem. Whatever grey shades comes, accordingly you're going to make your remaining grey shades. Okay?
Ma'am, can you like just check the color like this? Is this fine?
Yes, it is fine.
Ma'am, can you see my grade?
Yes, it is fine.
Yes.
Okay, now the grey color you're going to load it vertical, standing wise. Okay, so take your brush.
Brush I take thin or thick brush?
I'm taking the this only. Any one brush you can take, but the flat one.
Okay.
First apply water. This standing wise. One by one. Take a clay. This. Load the water. Shiva, Shivani, have you loaded Gesso?
No, ma'am.
So this is the area here, and here is the grey, this part. Not a lot of water, huh? Just give the texture effect that whenever the cloth gets wet, it has a soft texture effect. So that's what we are doing for the canvas. Okay. Okay. So what we are going to do right now, just load. First is reference how much is the grey in this, because yeah, okay. This part is grey, so I'm loading it here grey. This part see, my grey is dark. It's okay, no problem. I'm just loading it here.
Ma'am, only on the cliff or like the outside also?
No, only on the cliff. Down don't do right now, because we are supposed to, we will be able to, we have to make it once you have loaded it. So wherever the cliffs, little bit, this much only you just load it right now.
Ma'am, are we doing grey or black?
Grey it is. White is looking black.
It looks kind of black from the picture.
No, it's a grey. Just hold on. It's a grey. Can you see?
Okay, ma'am. And are we putting it on the mountains at the bottom?
Up to here only, not for the this rocks. You are not going to make it. Rocks is the slanting. Both effect is there. The circular one and the this standing I've shown, and this area. Just yes.
Mama was saying my grey came out a little light, so can I do the top part first?
Yes, you can. But one side it is dark.
Okay, ma'am. Mom, you're doing that last thing, Mama. That one is very thick for me, very thick.
Means I didn't get it.
I took 10 by 12 sheet, that's why it's very thick, the standing line which you're doing. It's like
It is
so much.
big. It's okay, no problem. We are going to give the effect, depth and effect to it.
Mom, I'm not understanding how did you do that up down thing.
It's only just load the colors and backward forward. Think that you are painting your wall and just load the color. Do that. Don't understand or anything. It will come with the practice. Just load it. Enjoy the loading. Yes.
Mom,
where
are you coloring?
Huh?
Which part are you coloring?
This part here.
All the mountains.
Yes, this clips, not this. This is white. Okay.
Okay.
Load it fast. Don't go. Keep
And
on.
which part is that one?
This is this side part.
Ma'am, downwards.
Downwards are the small clips are there. That one it is. Okay. Now with the help of your white, half of it is white. Vedika Reddy, go on mute. Half of it is white. So on your grey, just load white. If your grey is light, then load on other side black. Very less amount of black, huh? Because black you will not be able to make it light once again. If your grey is dark, load white on this side. If your grey is light, load little bit of black on the side. Take your dry brush fast and merge it very nicely. There should be no color strokes appearing. So where you will merge first white and black what you have loaded, that gray, and then run your same brush over the dark area.
So ma'am, one part is dark and one part is light.
Yes, one shade is light, dark this side, and one is light. Why? Because sun rays, it can be like that. This is the sun rays. Actually, it has little bit of green also, but you should have that much playing to look it properly. I'll show. If you are not able to make it, then don't make it. Don't load blue or black, green. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do we have to do it differently, like the black and the white different and then smudge them?
You can do that, but then you will not get the same color everywhere. That's why I showed this here. Okay, I'm just loading on the tip of my brush little bit of green. Okay, not too much. I can see green and blue effect, but you can go with the gray only, no problem. And I'll merge this color. Very slight green. You can give a blue effect also, slight one second. Huh? Hold on.
Ma'am, what color do you have to put?
Green or blue. I can see green inside the reference picture, so I've loaded green. Very slight.
Ma'am, I have
When you see the
very
green,
like turquoise type green.
you can take that. Turquoise blue or this. So one side I've loaded that.
What are you going to shake?
Arish, can you show me yours? How much you have done? Yes, Arish? Arish?
Can you repeat the step you did, like with the green paint?
I have just loaded little bit of green in this area. I have my dry brush. So, Arish, am I
Yes.
audible? Show me your artwork.
Okay.
Little bit of green. I want a green shade in it. It has come. Yeah, one second.
Ma'am, I don't have so much white.
Arrange for the white. Yeah, Arish, white is required. Everyone just see. I have such bottles. I take a 12 packs of. I'm not saying you take it, but you get a loose for 25 rupees. At least one white should be spared separately. White and black. Because we require, wherever white is required, and if we don't have, at least poster color. Okay, don't go for acrylic. But at least poster color, go with that. Keep one white separate. Done?
Ma'am, can you just see?
Yes. Just hold on. Yes, it is okay. No problem. I can see white in this area also. First we'll load this. Then we will stop the. See, I can see this sleeve is completely black. It has a dark shade. But here this one has a white shade. So again, with the white, I'm just going to load little bit of white on it. Take your merging the brush, dry brush. Be careful if it is white. Just what are we doing with the dry brush? Can anybody tell me?
Ma'am, we are merging.
means what? If I have said merging, then merging, I know it, what we are doing. Whenever we load the color, you get a strokes or extra burr of the color. So that has to be merged. That is what we are doing. Merging the colors also, and we are removing the extra burrs which are there, color burrs, that has to be done very plain. That we are doing, okay? So whenever you're merging it, just see to it that there are no color burrs remaining in the textures what you have made. This is only the color. Now on top of this we are going to make the mountain textures. Wherever the dark is there, with the help of pencil we are going to mark it next time and just make it. Can I extend the class for by 5 more minutes? I just want to show this white area. So we will be able to do it this much. Then next time we will make this area, and the water and the shadows.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes. If everyone very good, Iraida. Iraida, load your white. This one is whiter.
Mine was about to load.
Okay, load.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes. Show me. Very nice. Vedika, Bino, very nice, but load little bit white here. Here the white shade is there.
Ma'am, I have. Maybe it's because of the light.
Okay, then no problem. Yeah, no problem. Very good, Shivani. Yes. Yes, Parth. Parth, you have done reverse, I think so. You have made this light and this you have made dark. This side is a dark and this side is light. But concept is the sun is there, so near the sun it will be light.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, can you just check?
Yes. Yes, it is okay. 1 second. Vihan, no. Vihan, you'll have to merge this. This is straight line. Standing wise it is. I can see only the circular strokes there. Om, very good Om. Drizzling, very nice. Yes. Others, Pragati, Kushi, you have not shown me. What about Vedika Reddy? You have not shown me.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you check now?
Yes. Yeah, now it is okay. At least it is okay. This one, but we'll do it with the pencil. We'll give the shape. Okay.
Ma'am, why is the one side like lighter and one side darker?
Which one here? It's
No.
like that only.
No, not that one.
This one.
Yeah.
Here the light. You can see it. This is white shade is there. This is dark. This is dark.
Okay.
Here also little bit white is there, that we can make it when we are making the stone. Now, right now we are not going to touch here. That's why we have made it. We want to load. Can we load white and do little bit of orange and gray here, or should we do it next time?
Ma'am, right now.
Okay, no problem.
Next time. Next time. Ma'am, next time. Ma'am, next time because I have another class, right?
Okay. Okay, then next time nobody is going to just going to listen to me properly. And then if you have any doubt, you're going to talk. You're not going to make a mess like that. Ma'am. It's not like that. I don't want. Otherwise, yeah. Very good, Kushi. Kushi, but these two colors are not merged. I can see the line. For that, what